Create Yarn giveaway. In this box is 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet, and if you're interested in becoming a member, it's $24.95. You can sign up under me, and the link is down below. You can get your first month 20% off. Just put in the promo code JEWEL20. And to participate in this giveaway, comment down below. I'm going to pick somebody with the random comment picker. And comment something that is crochet related. Also, I have a Facebook group and page if you haven't joined already. I'm trying to build it back up because I lost my Facebook. It was hacked into a while ago. So, and I have my Etsy store listed down below if you'd like to take a look at that. This is the yarn that's the giveaway. Very pretty. It's 100% superwash merino wool. And it's a mix of like a dark blue with a little bit of pink and purple. Very pretty, thick, soft yarn. You get both of these. And then the booklet. Make sure you're a subscriber to participate in this giveaway. This is talking about the different types of yarn and the patterns. You have this one, which is a knit, and this one, which is a shawl, and also alpine leg warmers, which is crochet, very pretty, and some socks. Look very cozy. Okay. So this is the booklet it comes with, and all I need you to do is comment down below something crochet related. Please join my Facebook group and like my page on Facebook if you haven't already. Make sure you're a subscriber. I'll pick a winner soon in a couple of weeks. So thank you for watching.